Hey guys, Irishman here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a zombie spawner. You could use this for like a trap or all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. I was just messing around with the command block and it spawns zombies. Like, watch this. First, this is what you have to do. So I'll show you how to get a command block, and then I'll show you how to make it do repeating and everything else. So what you want to do is, I'm using PS4, so what you want to do is you want to click the well, I guess just open your chat and type in /give @s command underscore block. So, if you didn't get that, that's what you have to type in. Alright, so once you get that typed in, you will get the command block. So just set it down on the ground or wherever you want it. And what you want to do is you want to type in, summon zombie. Oh, my bad. And it has to be uppercase, summon. There we go. And then go over to the left, and instead of impulse, change it to repeat. And then to make sure it works, go into your settings, go all the way down until you see respawn radius, and then go down 2, and you see activate, not activate. It'll be past that stuff, but make sure you have cheats on, or it's not gonna work. And then go down and make sure you have command blocks enabled. It's automatically enabled, but if it's not, make sure you check so you don't do all this for nothing. And then exit back out of that. And then when you step on it, it'll do this. And it will spawn hundreds of zombies. It's insane, because they keep stepping on the thing. So the way you get rid of it, and make sure you do this before your game completely crashes, to get rid of all the zombies, you can't actually break this because they're going to be on top of it, and you won't be able to get to it. So just switch your settings from easy, medium, or hard to peaceful to get rid of them. So once you do that, make sure you have some sort of thing to activate this. Like, I put a pressure plate. So let's go back and let's go into survival. And it's really cool. So if you have like someone and you want to trap them, like a friend or anything, you can walk them in here and say that gives them diamonds or a lightning sword or anything. So they're gonna come in here and they're gonna step on it, and it's gonna completely fill up the thing. Now see, it's not gonna do it. So make sure you have it into easy or any of the other modes except for peaceful, so that then it'll activate. So they're gonna be trying to get away, but they're not gonna be able to because there's gonna be too many zombies. See, and then they can't fight it off because there's so many. So, yep. Oh yeah, and by the way, sorry for the bad quality video. I'm filming with my phone because it's a lot easier to take videos. So, stay tuned for more Irish Menace videos, and make sure you like and subscribe.